Today on Sugar Spun Run, we are going to be making an easy fruit dip. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here, and today I am so excited to be sharing another carefully tested, well-researched, and perfected recipe. Today's recipe is super easy and no bake. It's perfect for bringing to a party or potluck or picnic or just eating at home by the spoonful. I've been there. All right, the first thing you need is 16 ounces of softened cream cheese. I highly recommend using the brick style full-fat cream cheese for this recipe. I haven't tried it with any low-fat or the spreadable kind that you can buy in the tub. I haven't tried those. And right here, I have measured out 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to add approximately half of that in with the cream cheese. We're gonna save that other half for later, you'll see in a minute. And we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and just a teaspoon of lemon or lime juice. For today's recipe, you are going to need to grab yourself an electric mixer or a stand mixer. And you are going to want to cream everything together until it is smooth and fluffy and well combined. Start with your mixer speed on low, otherwise that powdered sugar is gonna go everywhere. This is looking pretty good. So now we are going to add some sour cream, which adds a beautiful depth of flavor to this fruit dip. Honestly, you could also call this a cheesecake dip because it tastes a lot like cheesecake. So if you like my cheesecake, you're gonna love this recipe. We'll stir everything together again. You want it to be nice, smooth, and lump-free. This is looking pretty good, but I do want to pause real quickly and take a look with my spatula. And I'm glad I did because there are a couple lumps hiding in there and we don't want a lumpy fruit dip. We'll just stir everything together again one more time. All right, this would make for a nice creamy, heavy dip, but I want to lighten things up a little bit and add a little bit of fluffiness. To do that, we are going to be making our own whipped cream. You are going to need 1 cup of heavy cream. Just pour this into a separate bowl. And remember that sugar we saved from earlier? Just go ahead and add that in with the cream. You are definitely going to need to use an electric mixer for this part, but just kind of briefly whip all the excess batter off of your beaters, and then you can use the same beaters you used for your cheesecake dip. You can see I don't have a lot of stuff on here, it's just a light coating. That will not affect our whipped cream while we're beating it. So we will just beat everything together until we have stiff peaks. It's gonna take a couple minutes. I'll show you what they look like. All right, this is looking good, so let's take a peek at the stiff peaks that we've formed. You can see this mixture is super fluffy, it's super thick. It's the consistency of Cool Whip, and that's what we're looking for. So let's grab this and let's add this into our cream cheese mixture. Now I don't want to deflate this cream that I just whipped any more than I have to, so I'm just going to use my spatula to stir together that cream cheese mixture and the whipped cream. I'm kind of just folding everything together until the cream is completely incorporated. All right, all that's left to do now is portion this into a nice serving bowl. Grab yourself some fruit and take a look at that. That is how easy it is to make my favorite fruit dip recipe. If you guys try this one, please let me know what you think. I always love hearing from you, and cheesecake fans, you're really going to love this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.